set up for today. So we have got another green bar on the daily, and I think what we should be looking at the moment is something like that. So that is our trend line, but if we add the bottom trend line into this as well, we have a fairly strong triangle pattern, and it's after a move up, so it's a consolidation after a move up. So the next logical step is a break, retest, and a move to the upside. So I'm just going to ignore the triangles for now, because I think there is horizontal resistance we need to pay attention to, and this is the first one here, right here at 26,789. So we look at the 3 hour. You'll see our double bottom is definitely in play. There's our double bottom. Let's just get that target in. So that is pretty much the previous highs. So what we are looking for is some kind of a move to the upside. It does look like a bit of a wedge forming, same as on the S&P here. You can see there and there, which does sort of give me a little bit of concern for any longs, but it is the US market, so let's just ignore that for now. I think if it does break the downside, then we can verify it. But at the moment, trend is up on the 1 hour. You can see we tested the moving average. We've tested it once, we've tested it twice, so the trend is up. So what we're looking for is opportunities to buy, and we're pretty much closed 8. Yeah, so we closed up in this area. The Asian session, we've done a bit of a rally. I'd like to see us pull back. So if we can come back onto this 26,789, 26,790 area, that would offer an opportunity to buy. We could drop even a little bit further down into this zone here, and that would more than likely give us a channel. Okay, so any pullback down into this area here, first one to watch is 26,789. Second one to watch is 26,726. I think 26,726 to me is the most logical one at the moment, but we did reject it in the trading session yesterday. So maybe just a pullback into this area here, 26,790. But I'm not full with much confidence on this or on the S&P at the moment. So my advice is, if you've got the time, just get onto the 15 minute. Wait for the pullback onto the 15 minute. Look for structure, and you're looking for a pin bar like this. You can wait for the confirmation as well, and then get in. You can see double pin bar here, high, low. That's first indication, long. Same down here, you can see pin bars off level. Well, not quite off the level, but yeah, not quite off the level, but you can see the congestion to the left here, which gave you the indication that there was a move to the upside. Anyway, that's kind of what I'm looking at. I think we wait for a pullback onto structure. You could also just get this kind of thing. Just bear that in mind as well. But I think, personally, I think we should come back down to test this zone here, and then it would be long again. Okay, so yeah, so we're looking for any kind of pullback down to 26,800, 26,790, and 26,725 area. Okay, hope it helps you, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.